As a designer, have you ever faced these? Every screen in the studio shows different colors. The client insists on the color being redder or bluer. Ready to leave those worries behind? Meet BenQ Designer Monitors with out-of-the-box color accuracy. Let's prioritize creativity and leave color matters to BenQ. Color management can be tough, but we make it easy and support you all the way. First, get your designer monitors ready. Second, use BenQ's color management software to measure and match its color settings to the other monitor effortlessly. Achieve perfectly matched colors across monitors in just 10 minutes. Take a coffee break. The color matching calibration will be done by the time you're back. Professional design demands professional display equipment. Always accurate and consistent colors across all your displays.